my favorite snack? Hey, what's my favorite snack? Oh yeah, what's my favorite snack? It is tacos. That's what my favorite snack is. Oh, yeah, I want to eat them. Can I eat one of those? Yes, I can eat one of those. I'm gonna eat. Holy crap! Nummy! Well, the tacos are pretty easy. That's why. If we do some, we do covered. Sorry, dum. So covered. Hey, these are the ladies. No, that's not the study one. The study one is It's so mean. Chimps. 80s, and they sing ra ra ma ma, roma ga ga ooh la la. So they don't know how 80s and I don't know how to sing this. They get away. That's what they do with Dave. He says, do the tangent. Hey, could we do? Hey, I say comb. Hey, hi, I'm Miles. So, no. To this. I don't want any more ice cream. Is it ice cream top cheese? Ooh, that's yummy. So sandwich is just what tastes just yucky. But today it says Hey. Oh, no.
It's too long.
Waste.
You gotta say bye.
Bye. So see you later.